This is a relief sculpture sculpted by Francis Rude in France, known as The Departure of Volunteers of 1792. And it actually honors France's first citizen army that they ever had. Um, Here below, there's 7 figures total in this image. Below are spirited members of that citizen army, and they are nude and clothed, all having classical armor on with ancient weapons, and above them is a female figure, and this female figure is known as the goddess, or the Roman goddess of war, Bellona. Um, she is quite, like, she is supposed to represent the victorious spirit of liberty after the French Revolution, and she is supposed to embody the French Revolution as a whole. She has wings, and she's wearing ancient gear too, but on her head is a cap, and it's known as the Phrygian cap, and this was worn by Roman slaves that were freed and were former slaves, but were free now. And it's also, this sculpture is also known as the La Marseillaise, which is France's actually capital and their national anthem. So even it was given the name of the French Revolution, basically. Or not the French Revolution, but like it just represents the French Revolution in totality and stuff. This sculpture is a good representation of the heroism of the Napoleonic era also. It's also presumed that this sculpture actually depicts the battalion of Marseillaise, which marched into France in 1792 and defended the Republic. And